Okay, friends, let's do some crazy stuff. I call it reverse molding. I download one part of this rabbit mold from Thingiverse and drag and drop it into Luban3d. So next we need another Luban instance. New. Okay. Now let's go to File, Create 3D Shape, Cube. Okay. Now we have this mold. Let's go to Mesh, 0 Z base. So I'm sure it lays flat on 0.0 in the Z. Okay, we did the same here. No, wait. First of all, I need some information from the mold. Okay. This is the size of the mold, and I put the same size to the cube. 70, 120, and 16. Okay. Close. So now I mesh 0 Z base, the cube 2. The cube has now the same size like the rabbit mold. Now I need the exact coordinations from the rabbit mold in the 3D space and the cube. So I go to mesh, object transform. Translation. In X, I need the first coordination is minus 35. Hit enter. In Y is minus 51. Hit enter. And in Z it's 0. It's 0. We did this before. I press OK. OK here. So now I have the mold of the rabbit, the cube, and now the magic happens. I select the mold, mesh, and did it reverse. Now we get this crazy negative of the rabbit mold. Now I file, merge the negative, yes, or the reverse, and the cube, yes. And a third window opens. Close this stuff. So looks a little bit strange. Oh yes. Okay, and you can see nothing. Ha! Okay, let's cut off this cube. Cut. Okay. So yes, now. I see a little bit of a rabbit inside here. And now I move, choose planar cut. And I want to cut off a little bit of the lower part. I cut, save. And now you can see the inside, the rabbit of this box. Let's switch to the slicer. I drag and drop right here. And let's drag the part, this one, inside my slicer. I turn it around Whoa, and you see, there's a rabbit. There's a rabbit. With a little bit trash around, but that's not too important. If I slice the preview, it takes a second or two. You can see the rabbit. If you print this, then you have the, yeah, this part you need to make a mold of silicone of this. You can cut this mess around if you want in Luban, or you print it with. This is the way you can reverse mold in Luban3d. Yeah. Have a nice day.